What's up, guys? Welcome back to Race Spec. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, and we're gonna go pick up a new car today. So our friend Katrina is here, and she's getting ready, but she actually really happens to like this kind of car. So, and it's automatic, so she can't drive stick. So we're gonna take the Viper out there to the dealership, have her drive the car back, and then we're gonna do that. But yeah, really excited to show you guys this new, I'm not even gonna call it a build, it's just one of my new toys. We don't do builds anymore, but yeah, we're gonna go get it. So see you guys in a bit. You can say hi to Katrina, and then we'll go get our new whip.
DJ project and temporary.
So special cars give you chills like this one?
Oh yeah.
Told me we were doing a surprise today.
Sick. All right, let's go check it out, dude.
Are you gonna tell me what it is? Wait, are you fucking serious?
Yep,
Ray?
it's my new daily driver.
Yo, dude, this is so sick. It's black just like mine.
Dude, this thing's sick.
So this is what you've been choosing.
Hell yeah, dude.
Check it out.
Yo, that's so icy. Making all those comments.
That's why you were bugging me so much.
You kept joking, should I get a Hellcat? I'm like, no. I'm like, fuck a Hellcat.
She fucking hates Hellcats. Although I love that
just
green
don't
one up
like
there.
Mopars like
Only
that.
people you see driving Hellcats.
Today, all day, every time we drove by a Charger or a Challenger, she was like, gay, gay. I'm like, shut up. I'm like, shut up. She's like, why don't you get something nice?
I would kid because it's a premium maintenance. The premium maintenance covers your shocks, your rotors, your pads. It covers everything.
Okay.
So
Probably
if
keep
within
that.
5,000 miles you run through brakes because you took it to Button Willow and ran through them,
Yeah.
they'll replace rotors if need be and pads.
Sick.
So brake job on this is like almost $3,000.
All right, guys, so that was a super short video. We just bought our GT500, got our boy George behind us. We actually had one of those. So we started this channel with a daily driven 500, and this is our new daily driver for sure. So very excited for this. But yeah, guys, here it is. 5.2 liter supercharged, 760 horsepower. Obviously this isn't the day I picked it up. This is just a continuation. The car's broken in now. I obviously gave it some sauce when it wasn't broken in, and it didn't feel any faster than a stock 5.0, but now that it's broken in, it's pretty quick. It feels good. It feels good for sure. I wouldn't say it feels like really fast or crazy or anything like that, but I really appreciate this car. It's really comfortable. It's really comfortable. The DCT is amazing. It looks great. It's quick. It's fast. But I wouldn't say it's like ridiculously fast, you know? It's acceptable, you know? So don't really have any plans for it as of now. Definitely have to PPF the whole front ends. The dealership, part of the deal was actually, because you see how it has these white side stripes down here? That was, I told them, I was like, hey, listen, I'll only, if I'm gonna buy this car from you, which is actually, I bought it from my client, I do taxes, so I was like, yeah, I'll buy this car from you, but I want you to put the matching white stripes in the car for me. So we're gonna drop it off for that, of course. But we're gonna drop it off for those stripes. And yeah, our next video is probably gonna be us PPFing, or getting quotes on PPF for this. But yeah, faux show. That was it. Super exciting. Yes, I paid a markup for this car. No, I don't care. I got more clients doing so, and I needed the tax deduction like now. So full disclosure, I was gonna order a brand new jailbreak Hellcat, but my client isn't able to order it right now, and I'm not willing to wait 2 to 4 months for a car. So GT500 it is. GT500 it is. Anyways, guys, short little video introducing you back to my channel. Shut up, George. Shut up, George. But yeah, new content coming soon, I guess. No, I'm not a professional YouTuber. I'm just an idiot with a camera that sometimes uploads.
Sure.
Yes. It's been like 9 years since I uploaded, bro. I don't care. I make $1 in revenue. See you guys.